up on. Until the fellas start the name calling. And the girls respond to the call. I have a poor one shout out. Who let the